Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a delicious teriyaki salmon with stir-fried rice noodles. So let's get on with it. First we fry the food for the noodles. Make sure your pan is hot. Put some garlic. 4 bulbs of garlic and some chopped onions. This is for the noodles. Sprinkle some garlic granules. Make it nice enough. And a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little. Just keep stirring. Cook this one halfway, and then set aside. It's the pork, belly pork, and leave the garlic, and then put some more oil. Now I've got, for the noodles, I got cabbage, chopped cabbage, julienne, red pepper, carrot, and beans. So we have to cook this first and then put the noodles in. Alright, put all together. Make sure your oil is hot. You can cover it for a bit, simmer. It's nearly ready. My noodles is ready now. You can dish up in a minute. Transfer it into the dish, Pyrex dish. A salmon in here, salmon fillet, so we're gonna do that one. First you need to make sure your oil is hot. You have to fry them lightly. Separate. Alright. There you go, right there. Sprinkle of garlic. And lots of ginger, julienne, cut into julienne. I have them here ready. Chopped garlic, chopped onions, and sprinkle of coriander leaf, dry. splash of Worcestershire sauce. It's called Teriyaki Salmon. So wait until nice and golden brown. And turn the other way. Cover them for like 3 minutes, and then for all the ingredients. It's nearly ready. You have to turn the other side. Make sure the fish is not. That's it. And we can put all the ingredients. I have some 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And this one is the teriyaki sauce, 3 tablespoons as well. They're quite a bit thick sauce, but you can always add a little bit of water on it. Bit of water. To melt the thick sauce. And 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar. And a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. And spring onion on the top. Okay. It's nearly ready now. It's nice smell. Salmon teriyaki is nearly ready. We can dish up. Okay? And put it onto the top of the noodles. And put some of the sauce that left in the pan. Some more, and put sprinkle of spring onion on the top, and there you go. There you go, salmon teriyaki with stir-fried rice noodles. If you want this dish, please subscribe, likes, and comment. See you in the next video.